2023 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features:
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio, navigation,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.